Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Willow Day, and today I'm gonna do a layers haircut 180 degrees. It's a very easy haircut to do, it's very quick to do it, and it's a beautiful haircut. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget either to activate the ring bell notification that is below to this video. Okay, let's start the video. I hope you like it. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you how I section the hair. As you can see on top, I made a rectangle like this. On the side, I did it like this from the crown towards the ears in both sides. In the back, I made two sections like this, split it in two. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna start cutting the hair. I'm gonna start here in the top first. We comb the hair and then we take a little section like this. This section is gonna be, I'm gonna cut the guide. So we comb the hair down like this, and then I'm gonna cut it below her chin. As you can see, this is gonna be the guide. I cut it. This is gonna be our guide. So if you want it shorter, you can cut it here above her mouth or here. So I want to cut it like this below her chin because I want it longer on the back. The guide is gonna give you the length on the hair on the back. If you cut it here in the nose, so it means it's gonna be shorter on the back. The length is gonna be shorter. So as long as the guide in the front is, so it's gonna be the length in the back. So make sure the guide, if you want it longer, just cut it long like this. Okay, so we're gonna start cutting the hair, the rest the hair on top. So we comb the hair up like this, and then we take a small section like about 1 inch like this, and we take the guide and we mix it with the other hair. We comb the hair up. So, and then we're gonna cut it here where you see the guide like this. Okay, then you cut it. You double check, and then we're gonna take the other piece behind, as I told you, about 1 inch, and you mix with the other hair which is being cut before. Then we cut it here, as you can see. Then we're gonna leave this part here because this one is gonna be the guide, or we're gonna keep cutting with this guide that is here. Then we take the last part on the back, on top and the back, and then we cut it here. Okay, now we're gonna double check that every single piece of hair is being cut like this. Just comb the hair up to double check. Okay, it's perfect. Now we split the hair on top like this, and then we're gonna start cutting the right side like this. We comb the hair down, untangle it very well, and then we're gonna split it in 1 or 2, depends how the hair or how thick the hair is. Then this first section, we comb the hair up. We take a little bit from the top like this, because here on the top is the guide. So we comb the hair up like this, and we cut it here. Then in this case, because her hair is not thick, so I make 2 sections, and then I'm gonna cut the last piece of the right side. So I comb the hair very well up. Make sure to untangle the hair very well, and then we cut it here. Now I comb the hair down and then up to double check. Make sure that we cut every single piece. Here there is one. Okay, again we comb the hair down like this, and then I'm gonna continue with the left side. Okay, now we're gonna cut the left side. We're gonna do the same thing that we did on the right. We have to comb the hair very well, untangle it, and then we're gonna split it in 2 or 3, depends how the hair or how thick the hair is. And then we untangle the top part, which is the guide, and then we take this part, we comb this part, which is the first one, we comb the hair up, and we take this piece that is on top, and then we cut it here, as you can see. Okay, then we take the rest of the hair on the side, because I made 2 sections, and then we put it together with the top part, which is the guide, and make sure to untangle the hair very well, and then we cut it 180 degrees like this. Okay, then we comb the hair up, because we have to make sure that we cut it, or we cut every single piece of hair. So double check, and then you see there is one little hair here. Okay, so we are done with the front part as well the top. We comb up the hair down, and then we're gonna continue in the back. Okay guys, we're gonna start cutting the hair in the back. We're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna split the hair in 2. I'm gonna do in 2 sections here. Okay, and we're gonna take this little piece of hair, which is gonna be our guide, to separate it. This one is gonna be our guide, and then we're gonna comb the hair up, all the way up, and then we're gonna take this, which is the guide, all together. We comb the hair up like this, very well, and then we're gonna cut it here. You see? Okay, got it. Then we comb the hair down, and then we're gonna cut the next section, this one. We do the same thing, comb the hair up, and then we take a piece of hair here that is the guide, and then we untangle the hair, comb up the hair up, and then we cut it here like this. Then we're gonna double check, untangle the hair, comb up the hair up, and then, well, it's good. So, and then we're gonna continue with the last section in the back. So we do the same thing. We're gonna split the hair in two, and then we take the guide from this section that is being already cut, and then we comb the hair up, and then we mix with this, which is the guide, and then we're gonna cut it. We cut it here, you see. We comb the hair down, and then we separate the guide, which is gonna be this one, this, and then this is the last piece of hair that we're gonna cut in the back, and then we tangle the hair, comb up the hair up. We mix the guide with this piece of hair that is gonna be the last, and then see here, we cut it here. Okay, and then we're gonna double check. Wow, perfect. So we're done cutting the hair. Okay, I'm done cutting the hair in layers, 180 degrees. I'm gonna show you how the haircut came out. As you can see, the hair came out really good. I'm gonna show you the layers. The layers start from here, from the middle down to the ends. You can see the layers. So the hair now is wet. So I'm gonna show you the haircut with the wet hair. And here on the side you can see the in the front how short the hair is in the front. I go down all the way on the back, and then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do blow dry, and then I'm gonna show you how the hair is when it's dry. Okay guys, I'm done with the blow dry. I'm gonna show you how the layers haircut came out. Okay, I hope you like it. Okay, as you can see, the hair came out really good. It's a beautiful haircut. This is how it looks in the front. On the sides, as you can see, this is the first layer in the front, and the length in the back is really good. You can see how many layers the haircut has, and the first layer start from here in the back, like in the middle, all the way down layers. And this is a very beautiful haircut, very easy to do it. Okay everyone, I have finished the tutorial. I hope you like it. Don't forget to give it a like. In this way you can support my channel. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye bye.